I'm Jackson Plumpton, and this is how I jam the electric guitar. Currently I'm in D standard tuning, so that's D, G, C, F, A, and D. Now, when I'm jamming the electric guitar, one of my favorite things is improvisation. Now, improvisation is basically just making up stuff on the fly. It's an attempt at playing in the moment. So you want to create kind of like a riff or a motif or anything to suit the jam or song or whatever's kind of going on around you. You might be thinking, oh no, where do I start? If I can play anything, what do I play? Well, luckily I've got a couple guidelines, tips and tricks that'll help you get through. One of the first things on improvisation is learning the pentatonic scale. Basically 5 notes blues minor scale that you can play over nearly anything in the right key. The pentatonic scale starts at the first, goes to the minor third, the perfect fourth, the perfect fifth, and the minor seventh. Then it's back to the first again. And it just goes up. That's the pentatonic scale, a 5-note scale, starting from the root, which was in my case D, here. Getting the key is important. Often you can watch the bassist, see where he goes, see where his kind of home note is and base it off that. Or if you just want to just start playing around, you can kind of fiddle around with the notes and see kind of where the pentatonic scale fits. And then kind of backtrack it from that. The scale works best with minor keys, but you can change it to a major key if you just add a couple of extra notes and take it down 3 semitones. For example, if we were playing a song in, say, D major, which the root is here, D, I would take it down 3 semitones, D, D flat, C, B, and I would play in B, and then you can also add 2 notes in, and those 2 notes the perfect second and the minor sixth intervals. So the perfect second is there, and the sixth is, I believe, here. So what that sounds like is if I take it down from the D, so D major scale, actually now it's just the major scale, so it's relatively easy. Then you can just guitar is so much more than just how fast you can move your fingers on the fretboard. You want to make sure you're moving them to the beat, to the feel. You want to be intently listening to what you're playing. You're going to be listening to what the bassist is playing, what the keyboardist is playing, the drummer for the rhythm, but you especially want to be aware of those melodies and just listening to the sound your sound makes as it kind of meshes with the other sounds, and kind of just take it from there as just like a flow of it's going well, keep doing what you're doing. It's not going well, maybe pull back, readjust, look at the bassist notes. Possibly you could readjust the scale a little bit. And now, making a mistake, don't worry. The best thing to do is just to repeat your mistake multiple times over and over again, because it's just going to make the audience think that you meant to do that. So yeah, little personal trick, trick of the trade. You don't make a mistake if you just repeat it.